welcome to my channel, My Heaven Zero, Retired and Inspired. Today, we're doing a Paula Young box opening. The wig that I have today is Jamie Lynn. Now, Jamie Lynn is A3299, and it's color 1488A, number 8, which means it's rooted. Well, I'm opening the box. I hope everyone's been fine. I'm just jumping right into this right away. I've been excited to get the Jamie Lynn. I've seen her, I've been watching this particular wig for a really long time, and I've been excited to get her. So, I don't know, a couple of weeks ago I just decided I'm going for it. I'm going to get her. So here she is. Well, first of all, this is her, and in the box it does come with a disposable liner for trying the wig on. If you for trying on, so you do get one of those. You get a cap liner, and of course, it does come with the care package, the care card, and this particular one is VersaFiber, so it's heat friendly, which is good to know, right? And of course, this tag here has to stay on. If you try it on, you don't like it, you can't return it unless you have this tag. So let's dive into this, shall we? All right. First of all, in the very front, you can see the top here is all solid, so it looks really, really nice, and we'll see underneath what that hair looks like as soon as I open it up. So it's solid, so I'm not sure if that's going to make it warm or what, but it's nicely done. I really like it. It's very nicely done. And then on the back, let's see, on the back it's got opening, and it's nice and open, so that would lend to being a little bit more breathable, right? And it has the tie tabs on the sides, both sides, here and here, so that's good. And this nice piece here, this nice piece with the bottom. Anyway, it's nice. It's real soft at the nape of the neck, and the ear tabs on each side, I can feel a little piece of metal in there for at the ears. It's beautiful from this angle. Anyway, let's open it up and see what's inside, what it actually looks like. Oh boy, that is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Look at the top of this. Look at the top. The top has the rooting. It's absolutely beautiful. It kind of has a variety of different colors running through it. The light blonde, a honey blonde, a variety of colors running through it. It's really pretty, along with the rooting. Wow, that rooting's really nice. And the rooting runs all the way through. It's everywhere. I have one wig where the rooting is only at the top. It didn't carry it through the whole thing. It was an inexpensive wig, but I mean, you can really tell the difference. And what's nice about this, no monofilament, or there's no lace at all. There's none of that. But the way that it's made, it's like you can probably push the hair over on every side, whichever way you want. You can do a lot of different things with that, I think. Very cute. So this is just like right out of the box. It's got some flips up here in the back. The back end flips up a little bit. It's got a lot of okay, this is like shorter, so that gives it the body that it needs, the way it's cut. and then the back kind of flips up a little bit, which is cute, cool. And again, remember, this is heat friendly, so you can play with it and change it up a little bit if you want. So, all right, I'm excited. I think it's so cute from just out of the box. So I'm gonna get this on and I'll be right back. Here we are. This is with Jamie Lynn. Jamie Lynn, we'll put her on. It seems small for my head. Oh. I think I need to loosen up in the back a little bit. Pull my ears out. There you go. Ears out. This is a little bit shorter than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be more of a bob than what it is. Oh my goodness, it's cute though. It is cute. Definitely cute. And I like how on the very top it just has all this volume. I mean, the hair is so nice. Yeah. Now granted, I have my little sideburns here. I don't have a wig holder on, one of those pieces. I don't have that on. I don't have it secured in any way. I like it. I like it just like this. This would be my favorite way to wear it. I could bring this down a little bit. That's okay. Ah, it's fun. It's cute. It's cute. What do you think? I think it's cute. The more you play with it, it feels good on the head. It feels comfortable. It feels like it fits. I don't always have a hard time getting them to fit. For some reason, this one feels like it fits really nice. I probably wouldn't pull any bangs out with this because my bangs are too gray. But I could go like this. Perfect. And it does have the tabs. I can pull them in. Cute. I think it's adorable. Let me turn around for you. Remember, I haven't seen the back, so, or I haven't worked with it, but here's the back. And this side. Hopefully all my own hair is tucked up there. Wow. Jamie Lynn by Paula Young. A success for sure. A success for sure. All right, well, thanks for watching, and I hope that this video helped you in some way. If it has, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't. Remember to be safe out there and be inspired. Bye-bye now.